Where have we gone? I'm hoping I can just make a really quick card because we've kind of been busy today. We went out and we've ordered a new car for my husband, so things have been a bit exciting. So a bit late getting on with my card for today. So I thought I'd try and do something really quick. I have written this sentiment because I spotted this die in my stash. It's a Gummiapan picture of a cow's face, and I've put on, "We could make beautiful music together," which I thought was a bit corny, but I thought, why not? So all I had done is printed that on the computer, cut it out with a square stitch die and a circle stitch die, double stitched. And I plan on having the cow's face just sort of peeping through the aperture, and I thought I would do a little bit of embossing with my embossing paste of this Gummiapan notation stencil. Just put that behind there, build up the cow and put the cow on the top. So that's what I have in mind. So we just kind of see how it goes. I've got a few layers there. There's one still inside the die. That one I have put a piece of tape on the back just to keep all the bits together. So we'll see how we go. I don't want to put this directly onto there because I might make a mess and then I've ruined a whole card base. So I'm just going to get a piece of card that's large enough to have the embossing on. Right, this is the piece that I cut that from. So where it was dependent. I drew the size of the square to see how far down in the sheet to do my text. So let me just choose a bit of this. I suppose any bit would be all right, really, just to go behind there. Well, if I do a bunch at the moment, I might be able to have enough for 2 lots, mayn't I? So let's just see. Put a little bit on here. Okay. I'll have to leave this to dry and then we can just see. There we go. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Leave that there. I'll just give this a quick wipe, but I'll give it a proper wash later. It's going to be really, hopefully, quick and simple, says she. I think I've got enough off for now. There we go. Right, now then, as to, let's put that somewhere safe there, the cow. What I thought I would do is put another layer over the top of this, but leave the nostrils and the eye lower so that we can just have a sort of a recessed bit. That's going to go over there. Let me just stick this on. I'm going to put some of these on as well. So let's see. Right. Yes, let's stick this on. Yeah, I'm going to cover the lot of this. All the bits should stay in, as I say, because I've put the bit of tape on the back. Right. Put that on there. I don't know what she's called. We'll put this in here. We'll put the eye in there. There we go. And a couple of nostrils in here. There's one. And here's the other. That's another one of those. Okay. Now I want to colour. I'm going to leave the eye white so that I can put the eye in. I'm going to colour this top piece, probably black, I think. I think we will. Let's, the nostrils I'd like to be a sort of a pinky shade. What have we got? Let's have a look. The garlic clove looks like it might be a good one. Let's have garlic clove. There it is. I think that's it, is it? Garlic clove. It is. Right, let's have the nostrils in garlic clove. Okay. I don't know whether the whole thing's going to look all right black or not. I can't do that bit because that's a bit of an eye, I believe. And maybe the bit of the inside of the ear might be a bit of... Let's just see. I've got to leave the eye white. If I make a boo-boo with that, I can always use a bit of jelly roll pen just to... Let's just put a bit around there. I'd like a little bit of pink in the ears, I think. I haven't used this one before. This was one of my mystery bag dies. They were such a good deal from the UK Gummiapan site. Such a good deal. Right, there's the black. See if I can put a bit of this pink in the ears. Now, what do I want the face? I'd like the face to be kind of creamy. Sort of white, but not, if you know what I mean. Perhaps I should use a grey. What can I use? Maybe use this grey. Let's see what it's like on this one. Tell you what, if I do it on this one, then I could put that on the top and it wouldn't show. Do I like that? Yes, probably. Let's put that on here. Things that go bump in the night. Let's see. Okay, I'll try drawing the dots in for the eyes. 4, I think that's a reasonable one. Be able to put a little white line into that. If I've got a skinnier one than 10, I should have a 5 and an 8 somewhere. There's an 8. Where's the 5? Here's a 5. Might have to wait until that's a bit drier. Okay, let me stick on these bits. Okay. Need to go around the edge. Grab this bit. Right. Oh, I left that one. Pop this in. need to put the eye back. There. I think we're actually nearly done. How's this doing? Almost dry. I can see it's a wet bit there, but let's just see. That's going to go behind there. That's going to go on there. I think that's going to do. I'm going to have to wait just a little bit longer until that one is dry. But there we go. Very quick card. A bit of silliness. I'm just wondering, I think what I'm going to do is put some crystal glaze on this. I just have a fancy for some crystal glaze. I haven't done that for a very long time, so that would be something else that needs to wait even longer to dry. It is. Feels like I need a new pot, actually. Whoops. Let's just do some of this. I prefer this, actually, to glossy accents. I much prefer it to glossy accents. Okay. I'm going to have to wait for this, obviously, to dry before I can put it onto the card. Just need to take out that bit that's globbed between the mouth bit down here. There we go. There. So that is going to go behind there. That is going to go on the top when it's dry. And I will put the card as soon as it is ready at the end of the video. So as ever, do subscribe if you haven't already, please. That would be wonderful. And click for a thumbs up for any that you enjoy. And if you can tell your friends where to have a bit of fun, come along and see some more. Thank you so much for watching.